Proactive Engineering presents Speed Shop. Speed Shop. Quick turnaround. If you need speed, you've come to the right place. Our PCB Speed Shop and dedicated staff get your prototype assembled as quickly as 2 to 5 days. Your own line. The Speed Shop is a standalone line with its own dedicated staff, equipment, and resources. We work on your schedule, not ours. Machine built, machine placed. Speed doesn't mean we compromise quality. Our boards are machine built and our components are machine placed. We cut the red tape. Why get tripped up by red tape on your prototype? Our streamlined documentation process means less paperwork and a faster deliverable.